what did I get out of this training? It was a great opportunity to ask all the questions that I needed answered about the buyer-broker agreement and giving different situations and how would we handle them.
The best thing that I got out of this instructional was that the brainstorming that we did and the knowledge that we acquired.
So thank you for coming to today's class about NAR.
Thank you. Always very helpful to participate in the classes that are offered at Fairway, and if there's one takeaway that you can take away from it, it's worth your time to take the class.
Nice little golden nugget.
Yes,
Take one.
absolutely.
Very cool. Well, thank you.
That's all I ask for.
We'll see you October
All right.
10th.
Thank
Hello,
you.
I'm here at Fairway Mortgage with Racheli Rafael, and I'm just happy to report that I was scheduled to take a class today. However, I am very happy that I was able to attend the Real Estate Secrets class because I had the opportunity to meet other professionals, other lawyers, other colleagues, and thank you so much for the invitation. Have a wonderful day.